make Channar Payesh are, first I am taking 1 liter of toned milk. Here I have taken Amul Taza toned milk. Next we have to take cashew nut and raisins, 50 grams each. Also we have to take 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of cottage cheese, that is paneer. This is how I have grated the cottage cheese. At first we have to boil the milk for 3 to 4 minutes in medium flame. Now when the milk comes to a boil, we will add 1 cup of sugar in it. We have to stir the sugar continuously so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Now we can see after 10 minutes the milk has become condensed. Now we have to switch off the gas and put the cottage cheese in it and mix it well. So friends, our Channar Payesh is ready. We have to garnish it with cashew nuts and raisins. I have spread it all over the payesh. You can serve it as a Prasad to Lord Krishna on Janmastami. And if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till then, all of you take care and happy cooking. Bye bye.